In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export or post your editing directly to your social media accounts from Filmora. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So I have edited this video clip and I'd like to go ahead and share it on my social media. To do it in Filmora, it is quite simple. Once you have finished editing, head over to this option called export and then click on it. From here, head over to this option called social media. But first, you want to make sure that the resolution and everything quality are up to standard or up to the standard that you wish. Then if you click on social media, now you see we have options to post directly to YouTube, TikTok, or even Vimeo. So go ahead and choose the social media that you want. For instance, if you want to post it on TikTok, just go ahead and select TikTok. And then you need to go ahead and log in directly from here into your TikTok account. If you want to post this on YouTube, you can also go ahead and just click on YouTube and then go ahead and click on login to log into your YouTube account. Now, once you have logged into your YouTube account or TikTok account, now you'll see the export option will be active. Proceed and click on export and your video will be published directly to YouTube from Filmora without the need of downloading it. So that's how you can publish your videos directly from Filmora to your social media accounts. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.